At first, it begins subtly. A slight tremble when you stand up after sitting for a while, a small pause at the bottom of the stairs, a sense of heaviness in your legs that wasn't there before. But slowly, almost silently, those small moments grow into daily struggles. Climbing stairs feels like scaling a mountain. Standing for long periods becomes exhausting. Even walking short distances can leave you tired. And here's the hard truth. Weak legs after 60 are not just normal aging. They are your body's way of warning you that something deeper is happening. It's a signal that your strength, your circulation, and even your essential nutrients may be fading without you realizing it. If you ignore these signs, the road ahead can become dangerous, leading to falls, a loss of independence, and complications that can affect your entire life. But if you act now, if you understand what's causing this weakness, you can rebuild your power, regain your confidence, and stay strong for years to come. This is not just a message, it's a wake-up call. Picture this. It's early morning, and you're standing at the foot of your staircase. You place one foot on the first step, and your knee trembles slightly. You push through, climbing slowly, holding the railing a little tighter than before. Halfway up, you stop, not because you want to, but because your legs tell you to. That moment right there is when many seniors realize something has changed. Your legs, once the pillars of your independence, are calling out for help. The question is, will you listen before it's too late? The good news is that leg weakness is not inevitable. It can be slowed, stopped, and in many cases reversed. But first, you need to understand why it's happening. There are 5 powerful, often overlooked reasons your legs may be getting weaker after 60. Let's explore them one by one, and more importantly, let's discover the simple, natural steps you can take to rebuild your strength and vitality. As we age, one of the most silent and damaging processes taking place in our bodies is muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. This isn't something that happens overnight. It begins quietly in your 30s, but after 60, it accelerates like a downhill slope. If nothing is done, you can lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by your 80s. This loss doesn't just affect your appearance. It directly weakens your legs, making everyday tasks harder. Thinner thighs and calves, heaviness in the legs, and fatigue after short walks are early signs. But here's the empowering truth. You can fight back. By incorporating simple strength exercises like chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band routines, you can stimulate your muscles to grow stronger again. Pair this with protein-rich foods, lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, nuts, and legumes, and your body gets the fuel it needs to repair and rebuild. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily walking can keep your muscles active and engaged. Age does not have to equal weakness. It's the habits you choose that determine the outcome. The second reason is poor circulation, often caused by peripheral artery disease or PAD. Many seniors don't realize that cold, numb, or cramping legs are signs of reduced blood flow. Over time, plaque builds up in the arteries, narrowing them and making it difficult for oxygen-rich blood to reach your legs. The result? Weakness, tiredness, and painful cramps that seem to appear out of nowhere. If your calves hurt when you walk but feel better when you sit down, circulation may be the culprit. The solution begins with movement. Daily walking, even inside your home, helps stimulate blood flow naturally. Staying hydrated is equally important. Water keeps your blood flowing smoothly, while reducing excessive salt intake prevents swelling. Simple habits like warm foot soaks, gentle massages, and elevating your legs can further boost circulation. Ignoring circulation problems can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke, so early action is crucial. Your blood is your life force. Keep it flowing strong. The third hidden cause is nerve damage, also known as peripheral neuropathy. This affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors, especially those with diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. Tingling, burning, numbness, or the sensation of walking on a sponge are telltale signs. Over time, high blood sugar damages nerves, while low levels of vitamin B12, essential for nerve health, can intensify the problem. Nerve damage doesn't just cause discomfort, it interferes with balance and coordination, increasing the risk of dangerous falls. Protecting your nerves begins with managing your blood sugar carefully. Eating a B12-rich diet, including eggs, dairy, and leafy greens, and avoiding excess alcohol, which worsens nerve damage. Regular gentle massages of the legs and feet can stimulate nerve function, while professional guidance from your doctor can provide tailored treatments. Your nerves are your body's communication lines. Keep them clear and healthy, and your legs will respond. The fourth reason often goes unnoticed until it's advanced: spinal problems such as sciatica or herniated discs. Your lower back is more connected to your leg strength than most people realize. Pinched nerves from spinal stenosis, disc issues, or years of poor posture can lead to weakness, pain, or sudden instability in the legs. If you experience pain radiating from your lower back down your legs, numbness in the feet, or uneven strength between legs, your spine may be involved. The solution lies in gentle, consistent care. Simple stretches like knee-to-chest poses and seated spinal twists can relieve pressure and improve mobility. Avoid sitting for prolonged periods, and if you must, use lumbar support to protect your spine. Regular movement breaks every 30 minutes can prevent stiffness and nerve compression. A healthy spine is the foundation of strong legs. Protect it, and you protect your independence. Finally, perhaps the most underestimated cause is electrolyte imbalance, particularly deficiencies in magnesium and potassium. These minerals are essential for proper muscle function. Low potassium can trigger muscle spasms, weakness, and irregular heartbeats. Low magnesium can cause twitching, fatigue, and even anxiety. Many seniors become deficient due to dehydration, certain medications like diuretics, or simply not consuming enough mineral-rich foods. Restoring balance is simple yet powerful. Incorporate potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, and avocados into your daily diet. Add magnesium sources like almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, and beans. Stay hydrated, because even mild dehydration can worsen deficiencies. And if nighttime leg cramps are a recurring issue, a warm Epsom salt bath can allow magnesium to be absorbed through your skin, relaxing your muscles and preventing those sudden midnight jolts. Balanced electrolytes give your muscles the power and stability they need to keep you moving strong. All of these reasons, muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, and electrolyte imbalance, might seem overwhelming at first. But remember this: every one of them can be addressed with awareness, daily habits, and consistency. You are not powerless. In fact, your body is incredibly adaptive, even after 60. The moment you decide to act, change begins. Start with small steps: a few minutes of exercise each day, a focus on nourishing foods, a commitment to staying hydrated, a gentle stretch routine, a posture check when you sit. Each of these choices builds upon the other, creating a foundation of strength that can transform your mobility and confidence. Imagine waking up in the morning, standing up smoothly without hesitation, walking to the kitchen with a steady stride, climbing stairs with ease, and feeling the quiet power in your legs supporting you. That's not a fantasy. That's what happens when you take control of your health. Your legs are more than just limbs. They are your freedom, your independence, your connection to the world. Losing that strength is not an unavoidable fate. It's a challenge you can rise above. So today, make this your turning point. Don't wait for a serious fall or a painful diagnosis to force change. Choose to act now. Begin rebuilding your strength, nourishing your body, and honoring the incredible gift of movement. And as you do, know that you're not alone. At the Seniors Hub, we're here to guide, support, and walk beside you on this journey. If you found this message inspiring, take a moment to subscribe to the Seniors Hub, like this video, and share it with someone who deserves stronger, healthier legs. Together, we can build a community of seniors who move with confidence, vitality, and joy. Your best years are not behind you. They're waiting for you to step forward with strength.